Welcome to another video from Experiencing IT. Today I'm giving you an overview of Winget, the Windows Package Manager. Stay tuned. Okay guys, if you'd like to follow along, you can download and install Winget from the link below. Link is also in the video description. So, I have here open the command prompt with admin rights, and if I type Winget, it will give me a short description of the application as well as the available commands. I'll focus on the search, show and install commands. So let's check what is the application version we have available by typing winget-v. As you can see, we have a preview version, which is the one available at the time of filming. Let's clear this up a bit. So okay, to list all the available applications, you type winget show and it will list all the available applications. I believe these are the applications available in the Microsoft Store. Of course, you could browse the applications page by page by piping the output. You could type winget show pipe more, and pressing space will jump page. If you'd like to search for a specific application, you type winget search and the name of the application, for example Chrome, and it will list you the several application versions available. Let's try now, for example, Firefox. There you have it, again listing all available versions. The difference between search and show is that show will show you the full description of the application. For example, if I type winget show 7-zip, because there is only one version of the application available and I know that, it will show you the full description for the application. While if you type search, it will just show you the application name and the version available. From what I understood, wildcards are not yet supported by Winget. If I try to search, let's say again, for Chrome, if I type just CHR and a star, it will tell me that no app found matching the input criteria, and the same happens if you use the percentage sign or the question mark. That does not work. Alright, you have to use the full name, or for example, if you type CHR without any wildcard, it will show all the applications with the CHR string in it. So my understanding is that you can't use wildcards just yet. If you know how to search using wildcards, please let me know in the comment section below. There is also a switch, which is the query switch. You type winget search -- query and then the name of the application, for example Firefox, and it will list you all the applications that have Firefox in the name. But again, you can't use wildcards. If you type star, for example, it says no app found matching input criteria, and the same goes for all the other wildcards. No app found matching input criteria. So my understanding is that, of course, this is a preview version and Winget is not yet fully developed, and this is something that will be available in the future. To install an application, we would type winget install and the name of the application. For example, Firefox, as I have already Chrome installed. Let's try Firefox, and it tells us that multiple apps found matching the input criteria. so we have to refine the input. Let's try, I would like to install Firefox version 77.0.1. Let's try to filter by the version, which would be -v. I'm not seeing any other version that matches this version number, but let's try to filter by something else. Okay, let's try and filter by the ID. And let's try, we have filtered by the version, filtered by the ID. Let's try use the exact command to see if this works. Well, what do you know? It works. Okay, let's wait for the installation to finish. So it installed correctly. So if you'd like to install an application with a single version available, of course you wouldn't need to input all these commands. You just type winget install, for example 7-zip, and it would just install the application directly. To uninstall applications, unfortunately there is no uninstall switch yet, so to uninstall an application you'd still have to go to Settings, Apps, and remove the application from there. Go to Settings, Apps, and remove the application from here. Of course, for now Winget is still in development, and I'm sure much more features will be available in the future to come, and honestly I'm quite excited about it as it makes installing applications a breeze. At the moment Winget is only available for those who join the Windows Insider program, or you could install it directly from GitHub. For me, as I already joined the Windows Insider program, the easiest way was just to update my virtual machine to the latest Insider build available. If you'd like to join the program, I'll leave you links for that in the video description below. Okay, and this was the small overview I had for you about Winget. I hope you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you soon on another episode.